YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If it's your first time tapped into my channel, hit that subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're just going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin, and then we're going to dive into the altcoins like we do every day, guys. As you guys can see, Bitcoin at the time of this video coming in at 69K at no surprise to us seeing this sell-off. We were definitely just talking about yesterday the fact that Bitcoin was creating this wedge. It did have a fake out, right? Shot all the way up and seemed to have dropped all the way down. But again, I'm not surprised. I was actually already talking about the fact that we were probably going to see a sell-off and the fact that the real price action was probably going to happen on a Thursday, which puts us right where we need to be on Wednesday for tomorrow, us to see some real price action. In my opinion, I feel like the price action that we're going to see is another move to the downside. So you guys can see another bear flag forming on Bitcoin. And that's why I told you guys that again, guys, the trend is our friend, and that's why we always like to look macro. We wanted to make sure that we were breaking up out this resistance. But again, guys, this rising wedge that was forming was not a good pattern. As you guys can see, Bitcoin did decide to break down. 1 year still looking healthy though, and of course the all-time looking like just a small pullback. And this is really nothing that we're not accustomed to already, guys. We usually have pullbacks of like 30% or more right before the well, not right before the halving. Usually we see a little pump before the halving, and then we'll see like a 30 to 40% drop. During COVID, we actually saw a 60% drop, but again, the market was much more manipulated at that time. So I expect a 30% drop. We are down already though. Just this month, 30%. We were up this month at a high of 50% and still up 21%. So still, if you bought Bitcoin last month, you're still sitting in the profit. But if you were like your boy Crypto J, you've been accumulating since Bitcoin was at 16,000 when we were talking about the probable bottom. A lot of people were even talking about 12,000 Bitcoin. A lot of people still talking about $12,000 Bitcoin, and I don't want to scare you guys, but a lot of people are still talking about Bitcoin dropping down to 12,000, which I think is absolutely insane. I think we have a lot more resistance between there, and so I feel like we'll probably bounce off some of that, but I don't see us holding this. I just don't. I didn't see it from up here. Call me a fool. I don't know. Maybe I just been in this game a long time, and that price rally was just kind of insane. We were overbought for a long time. Just talking about the fact that we were overbought. Look at this guy. This guy giving his little analysis, and he ain't wrong, right? We already broke this uptrend. So, again, though, a lot of money to still be made in altcoins. We're going to talk about it today. A lot of coins seeing some big pump. Oops, didn't want to click on that. Didn't mean to do that. Let me exit out of there. Okay. But again, a lot of coins seeing a big pump today, including Sam Bankman-Fried, the baby Sam Bankman-Fried coin, up 67,000%, man. And this is the type of gains you want to make in cryptocurrency. The only way you can make these type of gains, guys, you gotta be on dextools.io, and you also gotta be tapped into J Talks Crypto, because we find these coins all the time, guys. And it seems like today, not very many coins that we've actually talked about on the channel. Oh, and then I say that, and then Trump coin pops in here. But let's refresh this page one time for the one time, because it looks like it's not giving us proper data. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. There we go. So a couple coins on here that might be worth looking at. This Pepe coin. A lot of people were talking about this in my Telegram. They caught on to this really early, actually. I'm seeing this now, but actually I'm not seeing this for the first time, because I remember I saw this under the new pairs. I just didn't think anything of it. But this is another Pepe fork. It's on Ethereum, and it's coming close to $1 billion now, which is also pretty crazy. Like, now forks are hitting $1 billion. Like, what is this, man? That's kind of nuts. And why hasn't Trump hit a billy, dude? Like, Trump coin maxed out at like 500 million. This thing dunzo. Is it maybe it just didn't survive the wave? You know, maybe if this was built on Solana, if Trump coin was built on Solana, maybe it would have done a little better than it being built on Ethereum, because it seems like a lot of these trending pairs right now, right? The over and over again trending pairs on Dex tools just seem to be these Solana coins, right? But again, look, ETH right now dominating the marketplace. So maybe that's why we see Trump coin in here and picking up in volume. I'm not really sure. Let's also see what is pumping right now in terms of market cap. Seeing if we can get into any good swing trades. A lot of Ethereum pairs, it looks like. Let's organize this by pairs, right? So by pairs, and then we should be able to come on now. A noob. Okay, pairs. There we go. All right, so we're organizing this by pairs, and it looks like, yeah, looks like all the top stuff right now is built on Ethereum. So, I don't know. Are you guys taking any Ethereum trades today? Are you guys holding your bags? I might be holding here, guys, because it just seems like things are not really doing very well today. And Mark's just seeming undecided. Looks like Bitcoin wants to dump. Like Bitcoin looking like it's gonna go down. So again, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you next video. Sorry for the late one. Peace.